Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Welcome. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and tell us what you think about what we are discussing, and comment of course, and share your own opinion about the whole thing we are going to discuss. Now I would like to start by reading this for you. This post is made by someone who claimed that his name is Biafran First Son, which of course that is to tell you that he's a member of the US, because some of them don't like to bear their name. And you can see the picture here is the green. So that will answer your question if you are curious to know who is making this kind of post. Anyway, let's go through it. Attention, he says, it is important that Biafrans are informed about the mission of fine boy Kano, the brother of Mas Nnamdi Kano, to Europe. I don't know what you mean by brother of Mas Nnamdi Kano to Europe. I don't understand that. But let's continue. He approached IPOB coordinator in Geneva and started feeding him with many lies against the IPOB leadership ESN, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Sano Zokeme. He asked the coordinator to call a meeting so that he could inform the IPOB members, but he was refused. There is a very good possibility that he reached a deal with Nigerian government while in detention over car snatching business, and he promised to help in destroying IPOB. That is why their target is to start from Switzerland, where their fellow Chike Dozemu and Dawson Abayemu are based. We must not forget that he was in detention for nearly 3 months, and his case is currently with the Inspector General of Police, Abuja, for engaging in car snatching business with one Okechukwu Obibo, who is a well-known kidnapper and car hijacker operating between Ihocha, Aba, and Omahia. Every IPOB member and coordinator in Europe must be on alert over their lies and blackmail against the Biafran struggle. For them, this struggle is their family business, and they are not yet satisfied with the millions of dollars they have made from Biafran struggle. Remember, each and every one of us has equal stake in the struggle, and many have died and continue dying. We must never allow IPOB to go the way of Wazirike and Mazob. Okay, you can see one thing let's start from the way he mentioned where he mentioned the Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, IPOB leadership, ESN, and San Ozokome. Okay, these are the people that these guys are fighting, they're agitating for. The agitation of Biafran in their own sense is protection of IPOB leadership, invisible ESN, non-existing ESN they have, which of course, why I say non-existing, because that's not like the ESN that exists only in their mouth, okay, and on paper, which paper that they themselves hold, not even the real document. And Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Sano Zokeme, these are their own struggle. That is their own freedom fighting. They are fighting to protect this individual, this entity, these names that I just mentioned. That is all. And he went down to say that Fine Boy, which is Mas Nnamdi Kano's brother, this is to tell you the mindset of these people against Mas Nnamdi Kano and his family. Okay, because accusing the guy of car snatching is funny. How can he snatch car? Okay, how can he be involved with car snatching? Which I'm just telling you my own opinion. I'm not saying that I have done my verification and investigation and everything. No, I'm just telling you because let's just use common sense before we can conclude. If Mas Nnamdi Kano's brother was, if he happened that he was caught by Nigerian police or army snatching a car, like what this invisible individual have said, do you think Nigerian media will just keep quiet? They would have used that against Mas Nnamdi Kano, of course. You will hear some platform like Arise and TCV News and all these platforms hosting programs trying to talk down on Mazi Kano's and his family. That's number one. Number two, if Fine Boy, Mazi Kano's brother, is involved in car snatching, IPOB themselves would have used that to do program. Like what this guy is trying to say now sounds like what Chinasa would normally cooked up. Always have a different have answer to everything, even though the answer is wrong. But because he even gave details of the person that worked with Mazi Kano's brother. He said the guy's name is Okechukwu Obigbo. Okay, and he even mentioned the area of their operation, that they operate the hijacking cars between Ihuacha, Aba and Umuahia, meaning that they know their ordeals, they know the activities. That's to tell you that there's nothing like that. Because if they do, as long as it has to do with Mazi Kano's brother, because all the IPOB, what they want is to make sure that they belittle and destroy IPOB and focus on how to deal with Mazi Kano's family. So as they are protecting Ifa Ejiofor and the so-called IPOB leaders, DOS leaders, and all that, another aim and their job is to make sure that Mazi Kano's family become worthless in land of Biafra. So my people, I don't believe that Fine Boy, was caught, or that I don't even believe that he was in jail. Like he said that they detained him for 3 months for car snatching and for car snatching business. So Nigerian government is now protecting Mazi Kano's family. Is that what I'm trying to tell us? You guys are joking. Now the issue of Mazi Kano's family seeing the IPOB as a family business, I don't blame this DOS, these people like green people, for saying that, because Mazi Kano gave them free hand that everybody can come and yap nonsense. Mazi Kano, because he wants to be transparent, he just wants people to know that he's fighting for freedom and welfare, well-being of Igbo people, just with his every sense, with his sincerity, with everything in him. That he's not fighting because he wants to enrich himself. Imagine what they're now blackmailing Mazi Kano and his family now. Imagine if truly that Mazi Kano is doing what they're accusing him and his family to be doing. Imagine what they would have done. Because if Mazi Kano is seeing IPOB as a family business, the people that they call DOS wouldn't have been there. That's number one. Number two, Chike Doziemu, that he made a DOS leader, okay, wouldn't have been there as well. That his brothers and in-law are doing what they're doing, he shouldn't use that to against Mazi Kano. Now, he made mention of millions of dollars that they have made from IPOB struggle. Again, that is to tell you that everything about DOS and their members is about money. Because to them, money should be the key. Everything they want is where money is going, where is money, but not how to get the Biafra. No. But all their hands are on deck, just looking for money that will fall in, so that they can grab it, so that they can make something out of it. Is Mazi Kano know? Did he know that people are making money from IPOB? Yes, he do. Is it his intention? No, it's not. Because he understands what these people are made of. I keep on telling us that the reason why Mazi Kano keep on asking for 100 men is because he already knows that people that are around him is not what anybody would be proud of. In freedom fighting, you don't bring people like that. But he has no choice. Do you understand? He has no choice than to allow them to be there. So that is what this guy said, and I want to hear from you. I want to know what you think about what he claimed that the Mazi Kano family is doing. This is the Mazi Kano's brother that they're talking about. That he said that this guy he involved in car snatching and kidnapping and other, which is not true. Okay, and people have accused many people in DOS today as people that are doing that which this guy is talking about. Still on DOS Abracadabra, they made a post and said this: these criminals are recruited in Orlo, Anambra South, especially Ihiala and Nnewi South, Okigwe, Idiato, including Arondizog. These are the areas these criminals are operating. Are you saying that government does not know about them? Most of them are communicating with government officials. It is a syndicate powered by government officials. Most top politicians are a part of this. They are prepared them for one political assignment or the other. They know and are working with them. They know and are working with them. I don't understand. Even the bank managers are involved in this. The government recruited these criminals to poison the mind of our people and they discredit IPOB. Mazichinasa, Woro, live broadcast, Radio Biafra broadcast, updated by whoever, whatever, on August 31st of August 2024. That is a post that Emeka Gate is carrying out on his platform now. One thing I want to say, what I want you to understand is this. You know, I just told you that the agenda and what that's sitting for is to protect DOS leadership, which Chinasa Woru and most of them, including Ima Powerful and all these names that most of you know about, and Ifa Ejafo and Ozokeme, and then protecting the so-called ESN. All right, that's what I decided for, to make sure that this name is relevant, not Mas Namagano, not IPOB, not Biafra. Now, listen. Every now and then they will come out to bring out this kind of propaganda to do damage control. Why this guy cried out the way you can see on the post, the way that he said it on this post, simply because they are now realizing that, look, Biafrans are now paying attention to where their help come from. Like as Sami says, our help will come from the Lord who made heaven and earth. Everybody know that Biafran government in exile is where the help is coming from. And that is where God who made heaven and earth is operating to rescue his people and on the surface of earth. We cannot, like I always say, even if you hate PM, the work that Biafran government in exile are doing is not hidden. And most of them can testify to that. But because they want to protect their image, they want to maintain their reputation, they want to still be relevant, somehow they're not going to give up. They will always come out to tell you, look, the Simon Ekpa is a government agent, because they know that our people, once we say government agent, because we know that Nigerian government and army work against our people. So they will always use, they are Nigerian agent to deceive our people in the villages. Like I told us last time, Enugu State and Boy State is where they are doing their evangelical work underground, deceiving farmers, deceiving villagers, people who don't have money to buy that. Some of them don't even have Android phone to be online. They don't even know what Biafran government in exile are doing until Biafran government in exile and step in and through the government in homeland. They are now doing their work, doing more evangelism, doing more work and more activities that our people are now getting to know. Okay, we thought that is Chinasa Woru and DOS are doing, helping us. Okay, it's even government in Israel. And DOS and their group are not finding it easy. That's why they're crying out. That is why they're crying out, trying to, do damage control. The question people should ask Chinasa Woru and people like people who know the DOS and their members is this. So you are not a Nigerian, yes? Okay. How come you know the location that you just mentioned? You say the government recruited them and they are operating in Anambra South, here, especially here, Nnewi or Kigwe, Idato, or around this job, and the government should know all those places. So you that is in abroad, if you can know those places, that means government should know it though, right? The government should know it as well. But according to you, government don't know those places, or they pretend because they are working, in line with the government. Now, let us apply common sense. The common sense here is this. I mean, everybody should add this. This comment is what I'm about to say now is not peculiar to US or their members. It's for everybody. Everybody watching this video. If you are hearing my voice, I want you to ask yourself this question: if PM and government are government sponsored and this blah blah blah, if you are following the activities of what is going on, ask yourself this: how come Nigerian government are now bringing international community to help them to stop Biafran government in exile, but they are the one that created them and sponsoring them? How come, if you ask Nigerian government, what is your problem in Southeast, they will tell you Simon Ekpa. Yet somebody who is telling you that they are working with Nigerian agent. And my advice to DOS is this: if you claim that you want to make people to appreciate you, I mean people to see that you are doing good things and all that, don't call us a fool. Some of your comments, some of you people comments and posts is actually an insult, is very, very big insult to every Biafrans. I'm not talking about government in Israel or Samaria here. You are actually insulting us, insulting our intelligence, because you are trying to call us Mumu or there. Because if not, how can you come out and say this kind of thing you are saying? We know how Nigerian government are crying bitterly, publicly, secretly, and doing everything necessary, including using you people to bring PM down. Then, knowing how you guys are working closely with Hope Uzodinma, how you guys are getting your information, like what China's award is not in Nigeria, then how come you know those areas? Is it not the government that told you those things? They are the one telling you those things, and you know that people know, but somehow we believe that you can still drag some people out and still maintain relevance. You claim that you don't know anything about what government are doing and how you guys are working with them. Then you have called names in the public in the past. Some of you are still doing it today, begging government to go after Biafrans. Yet you are not working with the government. Like I said, some of your comment is an insult to Ndibo and to Biafrans, because you guys think that everybody is out there. People don't know what you guys are doing. If you want to be relevant, retrieve your step from this nonsense you guys are doing. If I were you, I would not even say a word. I would quietly disappear on social media. That is what I've been expecting you guys. But some of you have no iota of shame in you, and it's a very big disease, because anybody that don't have shame can go on and even make love with his mother, thinking that he's doing the right thing. Because if not, I don't see any reason why somebody who claims that he knows in and out, after knowing how our people reason, that an average Biafran is capable of articulating information, to digest, to know, to understand what you guys are doing, and you are here talking nonsense. Now the comment, let me quickly go to comment section. I will just pick a few comments and we'll move forward. Emeka Gift, imagine if you are blocking people on your page. By now, now only you and your family go they read your lies. That is OC1. Ude Oyemachi said, I declared in the name of God of our ancestors incurable sicknesses to catch all the saboteurs among us. He said. That's what he said. Son of Man said, why is your ESN not stopping them as they stop Fulani herdsmen? Did MNK create ESN to remain underground in the bush for crime to be taking place in the road? Why are you people so unreasonable? you just dey explain wetin nobody ask you. When we we know our enemies, they are being dealt with. Do you understand what this our brother said here? He's not he did, you know, this comment that I just read to you is not from Biafra government in exile or their members. These are Biafrans. Like I said to you, the Biafrans know who actually stands for them and who is helping them and who is actually doing the right thing to safeguard the life of our people. The comment here, you can go on and on and on. You won't see any comment that is you know, saying something in support of what this guy is saying. Ejike said, "Una shame, they shame me. Una shame, they shame." That's what he said. A lot of comments going against this guy and the post. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. I'm not gonna waste much of your time on this video. Please, if you are new, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the activities of the US and what they are doing. What do you have to say about it? I would like to hear from you. See you again and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.